called? A. Where we use this A? When it is one. When it is any one object is there, then we use a. Like if suppose here I have drawn this. What is this? Pen. How many pen? One pen. So what I will say? A pen. Okay. If it is one, then I am using this a. Same way, beta, this one. What this is called? An. Which? Thank you. An. Now this an is also used. This an is also used when only one object is there. Then how you will make that? You have to use here an or a. How you will come to know? How you will come to know? Should I show you? Should I show you where you have to use a and where you have to use an? Should I show you? Okay, let us see what I am going to draw you. Okay. What I have drawn here? Hand. What I have drawn here? Hand. You know alphabets? Alphabets, you know A, B, C, D, yes or no? Okay, from that I have taken 5 words. From that I have taken 5 words. So I am writing here this sound. What is this sound? A. A. What is this sound? A. What is this sound? What is this sound? E. What is this sound? O. O. And what is this sound? You have 5 fingers. In the last one, which sound I have kept? A. Everybody, come on. A. E. O. Whenever you see this sound in the beginning, then only you have to use an. Then only you have to use an. See here. What is the beginning sound here? Pa. What is the beginning sound? Pa pen. Pa pen. Is it this is a pa? No. This is a pa? This one? This one? This one? No. So when the beginning sound is not this all, then you have to put a. But suppose I'll give you apple. I'll give you apple. What is the beginning sound of apple? Apple. In this 5 fingers, a is there? No. A is there. Which finger? This small one? Okay, it is having apple. Let me write the apple. Okay. This is apple. Yes. So what is the beginning sound here? A. What is the beginning sound? Apple. Apple. So A is there. So what you will use? Which article you will use? An. So you will use an apple. What you will say? An apple. Can you use here and why? Here the first sound is pa. It is not in the vowel. It is not in the vowel. These all 5 together. 5 strings are called vowels. These 5 strings are called together vowels. This 5 again. Everybody. 5 strings together called vowels. And when there is a vowel in the beginning, we use an. We use an. Now, should I give you one more example? Okay, if I say and, what will come? A will come or an will come? A will come. Okay, let us see the first sound. What is the first sound? A. A is there in this? Yes. If it is there in this, then which article will come? And. So let me put here and. So Only one I'll draw here or many? Many I will draw. If I'm writing an and I will draw many or one? I will draw only one. Let me give you one more example. If suppose I am writing, okay, not I am writing, I'll draw it. I'll draw, okay? Just tell me what I am drawing, huh? Elephant. Correct. You can make out this elephant? Yes. What is the beginning sound of elephant? What is the beginning sound of elephant? Okay. Now which article will come here? Very good, Tatwa. How you can make out that here N will come? Because okay, S sound is there in the elephant. The beginning sound, the first sound is A. The first sound is A. And A is there in the finger? Yes, they are in the vowels. So you are going to use N. N. Got it? One more example, okay? It's very easy, I'll teach you. What is this? It's orange. Orange. Should I write the spelling of orange? Okay. What will come here? Will come or N? O is there in this vowel. So what will come here? Sure. Okay. N. Okay. If I draw this. If I draw this. So what is the beginning sound? Is there in the finger? So what I will use? Umbrella or an umbrella? An umbrella. Okay, an umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, let us see. What is the beginning sound? Is there in the vowel? Yes. So what will come here? N. N. If it is there in the vowel, then what will come? N. What will come? N. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Okay. So what you will do? You will keep aside. Next time I'll help you. Okay, keep it aside. Do not tie your neck. It will hurt you. You may I'll help you after. Correct. Okay, I am giving you one more example. Ready? Look here. What is this? Cat. Cat. What is the beginning sound of cat? K. And K. So A is there, but A is in the middle. Beginning. A is in the beginning. No. In the beginning, first letter is A. No. The first letter is K. So what will come here? This will come or N will come? N will come or A will come? A. Cap. Why A? Why A? Because
the baby sound
the sound K. The first sound is K. Got it? Got it? Should I give you another example?